Yeah, bonsoir. No, I believe this country is bilingual. My talk for the bilingual way. Yes. I dey salute everybody. He been a soldier under La Republic. Me, I been a soldier under La Republic, but I don't come out for the soldier work for La Republic. I don't fight for Boko Haram. I don't see my colleague they don't die plenty. My colleague they don't die plenty for them. I decide say make I run with my arms. I can't join these separatist fighters for this ground. I dey laugh any my colleague them wey dey still dey inside this struggle. They don't call we Odeshi, but still come for that boys them. The boys them dey see kill we as we be the kill them. Yes, the boys them dey kill we. And wait to make me a run. My colleagues them a kill for Banso site. He cut some civilians head. He kill them, cut am, give am for so one man for day. He go sell am for them for Fumban. Bring them money. I see say this one na nonsense. Never wait till they out for. I don't join my boys them because I be English speaking man. Any anglophone easy day with our republic them for fight the fight in a soldier. If you no resign them, if you no run with your weapon, bring am for a brothers them. Me then join fight this fight. Na foolish man. And I go see talk am. I go talk am very well. I no get plenty talk for talk. I go talk am very yeah. Yes. Wetin I go talk now. Na palava the school where dey go on. Any man send the pikin for school. The man no like his life and he no like that pikin in life. Go catch one of that pikin you need for talk where your pa dey and your mama. Go catch them. We dey kill am for set an example. We dey na inside war. Like the La Republic dey force all kind things, The school e no go. Me in particular, I get military tactics. I go use them back to my colleagues them. Now wait till that I go do am. I dey send this thing for all side. Me then send am for all sides. They circulate am everywhere. Me as I dey talk so. I be na army, I don't run. I be na army, I don't run. Me my colleague then say I'm too run can't join their brothers them. Most struggle for this fight. This fight dey so at the time they say this fight the finish. At the time this fight is the finish. Any my brother say if he say see where I'm in uniform, he do La Republic. Me no say when we don't fight the fight will succeed. Now the last time this they no go enter again for inside this ground. This very ground for the southwest and the northwest. We don't suffer. Pop here the full way or they die. At the top, my colleague they die plenty, but they hide them. See they don't transfer them for this side, for their homes and for their families them. If you see amount of we the La Republic soldier they don't kill them plenty. The amount of them is plenty. If they don't kill them, they bury them. If their family no know. If they get sense, better me them come join our brothers them. We will fight the fight. Better you thief your materials, you thief your weapon, you run come, join the boys them. Even na for southwest or the northwest, be the fight strong. And at the last time this was the fight, I advise na my people. No school, you no go. Any school we go, they go find the teachers dem. They go for that school, find even the family for that teacher dem, will perish all them. No mercy, e no dey. Na me, I don talk am. I don run this work. I dey na Ajodan. I dey run this work from my one straight to the na straight for me for get money. Very soon I for go reach captain. If I take gallon again, I for go captain. But I still run am. Na money I dey get am, but I go come for ground zero wey I no go get the money, but we go succeed for win the fight. I go get the money pass the one for the Republic. So I dey advise all my colleagues dem, if they still dey for military work concerning the Republic, make dem take note, make dem left the work, come join their brothers dem for bush, make dem join to fight. Na wetin that I go talk. Because if they look am, for example, Cameroon government, e don borrow soldier dem all side, they come, the boys dem still kill them, and then they feel say that backup na wetin e no dey, and they go still kill them. Because they dey go into our family, they don catch 2 of my family, kill am, say, you know your pikin na army, if you can't fight your brothers dem again and their mammies dem, they kill am. So any pikin, na English pikin, e get sense, may he left the work, run with a gun, can get am, make dem fight. Teach how they operate gun for the one day they no know am very well. Come join this fight, make dem fight. As a short talk that day, I go talk for now. Make dem hear. Una send me this my thing I dey talk am so all round the way, make dem see am. We don suffer, we don wait UN, wait America, they dey elect turn. Like Republic, they do kind thing, they go put and say na English speaking people don't do am. The time e don end.